Explicit domains are, of course, extremely easy to know because they're just told to you. But implicit domains require you to understand some rules. So we are going to talk about 3 rules of domains that you should be aware of. Now, they're not the only rules, but they are the absolute most common. So the first one is if you are dividing by some quantity, and I'm going to call that quantity Q, all right? Then the rule that we need to know is that Q cannot equal 0. Okay, this is just the statement that we all know that we're not allowed to divide by 0. The second rule is if you are doing a root, and specifically an even-numbered root, okay, an even root of a quantity Q. So that's a square root, or a fourth root, or a sixth root, etc. If you are doing an even root of something, then that something must be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, we are not allowed to do even roots of negative numbers. This is, of course, assuming that we are working just with real numbers. And the third rule is with logarithms. If you are doing a logarithm, it doesn't matter what the base of the logarithm is, of some quantity, then that quantity must be greater than 0. You are not allowed to do a logarithm of a negative number or of 0. So these are the 3 rules that you need to be aware of, and they're going to be what you're looking for when finding an implicit domain.